Hi, here at RDF International School we have 3 buildings. We've got the one behind me here, that's the main teaching building, and then we've got another teaching building right here. This one over here is our dorm building and canteen building. I'm going to show you that today. So I just walked through this door over here, and you can see this is our canteen, one of our canteens. And we actually have another canteen over there, the second canteen. That's the Chinese food canteen, this is the Western food canteen. We're going to go upstairs now, so we'll go through this door and then go up the elevator. Here we are on the 5th floor of the dormitory building. This is a girls' floor. Let's go see the laundry room and then one of the dorms. As you can see, there are many different washing machines here. Several washing machines so that every night students who need to can wash their clothes. And there's a room just like this on every floor. Students need to bring from home some laundry detergent, perhaps some stain remover, and every student will be given a digital card. They can put the money on the card and then use these machines to access the water in the washing machines. After their clothes are washed, they could use an electric air dryer if they choose, or there are clothes hangers up here on the ceiling. And so students can just take their clothes and lift it up there and air dry the clothes if they'd like. We recommend both options. Sometimes if you need it, you'll want to dry by electricity. If you have more time, of course, the air dryer can work. Every laundry room also has water. This water is for drinking. It's hot water, cold water. It can be used for cups of noodles, little snacks at night. So here you'll see a typical girls' dorm. The walls are pink. You've got a couple of beds. These are bunk beds that have RDF sheets and pillows and blankets as well. There's also a chair, and every single student has the opportunity of accessing a dresser. So in this case, students can use this dresser to hang up their laundry, their clothes, various things inside. We recommend organizing your dresser with some kind of means so that you can use not just books but also things like combs and deodorant and various other personal supplies, maybe some shoe polish, batteries, thumb drives, right? You'll need something to help organize this space. There's an air conditioning unit to keep the temperatures cool and pleasant. And of course there's a privacy drape here as well so that students can close the curtain at night to have the room be dark and private. Some of the rooms have desks. We'll show you those rooms as well. Of course, we encourage all students to make their beds, to cover up their beds. They can bring blankets from home that are warmer, but they should always make their beds. So this is my son's desk. He has, of course, shelves where he's got a few Rubik's Cubes and various things, camera lenses. Down here he also has some drawers, and in these drawers, this is a little sorter container. We've got some, deodorant and hair ties or hair combs and shoe polish and things like this. Also some different kinds of oil and various other things here. Looks like some pens and pencils and some Band-Aids. We'd recommend that you do set up something like this, something where there's a sorter to make your drawer nice and neat. So this is a typical bathroom. This is a boys' bathroom, and you'll see that it actually has the cleaning supplies that we recommend for you, including toilet bowl cleaner and other kinds of cleaners, just the general purpose cleaner. Toilet paper, paper towels, trash bags. These are important for you to bring because you'll need to replace them periodically. Hand soap, other tissues, even a toilet scrubbing brush. It's very helpful. A floor mat. And, of course, your shower will need some shampoo, perhaps conditioner or other cleaning brushes. All students are expected to take a turn with sweeping or mopping. Well, that's a brief introduction to our dorm. We hope you'll come check out our facilities and learn more.